YouTube, I'm Super Dan the Shoe Man. I'm back with another video. Thanks for being here. I appreciate all y'all's support. I appreciate it if y'all smash the like button, because I think the like button actually helps the channel. I know what really helps the channel that most people don't talk about on their videos is that if you actually let this video just play all the way through, and then you can come back later and like see the parts that you really want to see the close-ups of the shoe. Just let it play, please. Thank you. Let's just see what it does if everybody that watches this video lets it play. I don't know how many views this video will get, because these shoes came out like 2 months ago, over 2 months ago, I think. My boss got me these before I went out on leave with Trampian board, and I got them from him. I'm only in the office every other week, and so he had to receive them, and then we had to get every other week that we were in the office so that I could get them from him. So. I mean, I really don't even know when they came out. So it's been a really long time. It's not a terribly hyped shoe. I'm kind of interested in seeing it because I don't have any of these. I may never have had one in here. No, I did, but I didn't make a video on it. First, though, before we go any further, a word from our sponsor. Haley, who is our sponsor?
Jesus.
It's Christmas time, and go back to my last video, because my last video was the Khaled video, the Khaled 5. And I talked a little bit about like leading up to this one. And this is Jesus speaking, and it is Matthew 27, verse 37. Jesus replied, "These words are in red. You must love the Lord your God with all your heart, with all your soul, with all your mind. This is the first and the greatest commandment. And second is equally important, love your neighbor as yourself." And that is verse 37 through 39. And that's normally where I stop reading. That's not normally what I stop paying attention to in this. And I'm like, Lord, love the Lord your God with all your heart, all your soul, and all your mind. Yesterday I talked about in the video from the other day, I talked about the wise men having planned and maybe even traveled for up to a year to go see Jesus. Do we worship like that? Do we plan our worship like that? Do we put that much effort into our worship of Jesus? My answer for me is, it's not probably not, Haley, it's a no.
Yeah.
And then I read something like this: you must love the Lord your God with all your heart, with all your soul, and all your mind. I'm like, dang, how do I even do that?
Yeah.
With all your mind. Like, sometimes I think about shoes. Sometimes I think sometimes I think about fish in my aquarium. You know?
Yes.
What else do I think about sometimes?
How much you miss me when I'm at work.
I don't think that's a little different.
That's a little too much,
my
Haley.
daughter. No.
No, I know.
That's like loving someone and caring about someone, especially your own family. Like, I don't think that gets in the way of, like, shoes could get in the way of God. You know, hobbies could get in the way of God. I don't think loving your family is really that on the same wavelength as that.
Okay.
But anyways, all my mind. Like, how do I do that? How do I even love with my soul? I think I know how to love with all my heart. I can't do it. I think I know how to. I just can't do it. But all my mind, like, it's just like, what? And that's the number one commandment. And I had talked about this before. The Hebrew Bible, the Jewish Bible has, like, I don't know how many laws in it. Do you know how many?
No idea.
It's like hundreds, right?
300.
I don't know. And then how many laws did we go down to?
Just now, or in
No.
the commandments?
Yes.
The 12 commandments. What are you talking about? Oh, wait, I knew that. Sorry. Sorry, I forgot.
And then Jesus takes it, like, once Jesus is here, he takes it all the way down to really just one. I guess it's two. Love the Lord your God with all your heart, with all your soul, and all your mind. And it's equally important to love your neighbor as yourself. It's like, we couldn't do the hundreds. I mean, that's tough, you know? Hundreds of laws. It's kind of tough. Like, don't eat these kinds of animals with cloven hooves. Like, wait, but I really like the way that tastes. Like, don't eat pigs. But bacon is so delicious. And we know, like, in the new covenant, we don't really have to abide by that. We don't think it's a sin to eat bacon, right?
Right.
Or lobster. I think you're not even supposed to eat lobster and shrimp and stuff. But we'll eat that stuff. But the 10 Commandments we would also think about keeping, but, like, we covet our neighbor all the time, want things, we're jealous of things that other people have, right?
Right.
So let's just take it down to 2. Man, and then it's like, that's a big one. But let's read verse 40. It says, the entire law And all the demands of the prophets are based on these 2 commandments. And it says the entire law and all and everything, the demands of the prophets are based on these. This is still law. Love the Lord your God with all your heart, with all your soul, and all your mind is still law. God knows we can't handle the law. Everything, in my opinion, everything in the Old Testament is summarized in, you can't handle the law. You're not good enough to do this, but I got you. And like, I got this, I got you. I've said this in some past videos, something that was really important to me. This was a friend of mine, his voice.
He's eating stuff.
A friend of mine, it's fine. A friend of mine's voice came to my head when there were difficult times in my life, and something he's said to me before is, your daddy's got this. And it's like, he's got it, you know? And even that, this one verse, love the Lord your God with all your heart and all your soul and all your mind, it sounds so big and so daunting. I mean, at first glance, it sounds easy, but then it's like, wait, what really, how do I do that? That is why God sent Jesus, because he knew he couldn't do any of that. So he sent Jesus to show us what that looks like, loving your God with all your heart, with all your soul, with all your mind. So we knew we couldn't do it, so we have to rely on him to do it. So thank you for sending Jesus to do what I'm not able to do, and I don't even have to try anymore. That's what I think. That's what's even better about it. Like, once you get this realization, I don't even have to try, because Jesus did it for me, and because he did it for me though, and the love that I feel from that, I still try, but it's not on me when I fail, because I know that he's got me covered. All right, again, this is a really old shoe, came out months ago. Quit. It's been sitting here in the shoe room in this box unopened for a really long time. Haley, no more dog.
You're the only one in here.
Because I don't want him downstairs messing with the Trent. Do you see?
I can't see you now.
You cannot see?
I see a purple Nike box. It's a SB Dunk. Ew.
I have never had an SB low in here to make a video on.
Yes.
Which one?
Oh, you had a rainbow box.
Yeah. Highs.
Oh.
SB highs. I want to get rid of these 2. Anybody wants these? Let me know.
Me.
For sale. They probably won't fit you. Jake.
Boring.
I think I agree with you.
It's kind of like the ocean.
The
and there's a
ocean?
palm tree on it.
There's a palm tree?
Yeah, that's what I said.
Welcome. God, I don't even remember what these were. This is the Nike SB Dunk Low Pro PRM Deep Royal Blue. We got a palm tree on the back of this one, in case you didn't know.
In case you didn't hear me just say that.
In case you didn't just hear Haley say that. The coolest thing is the insole. The SB Dunk insole. Oh my gosh, that's in there real good. Maybe I'm not going to get this insole out.
The coolest thing? Too bad. I'm not gonna let you see it.
Yeah. There it is. We got it. Zoom Air. That's a Zoom Air. See? Or Air Zoom, maybe. And then you get
Whoa!
a little extra polyurethane padding up in the forefoot. Let's see. Yes, Legend is licking my ankles. Doesn't smell bad. This is a really nice short suede. I like the suede a lot. Looks really good. I like these colors together. Haley, what do you think about that? And that.
Is it a lobster?
No.
Just kidding.
Just look at the colors.
Yeah, I know that. It's blue and red.
I don't dislike that though. It's not that bad.
This one isn't that bad.
I think it's because the colors aren't terrible. Like the red isn't like too bright. Deep royal blue. Apparently these are only deep royal blue.
They're not bad. I would much prefer them to not be there, but
Yeah. The
it's
white
not,
leather.
It's not as bad as I've seen.
The white leather is meh. It's not terrible. I don't know why they made this swoosh canvas. Just make it the same as the rest of it. Looks like we stepped in some bubble gum. Just in the right foot. I didn't know that was here.
That's cool.
Laces. You get extra white and extra red laces. That's a little too much. We're not going with the red.
Yeah.
I think the blue is what I would rock if I'm going to keep them. I was having a conversation with a friend that was wearing some SB highs a couple days ago, and he said his foot looks goofy. He feels like his foot looks goofy because of something up here too. He likes them anyway, so he still wears them, but this looks goofy. Doesn't it? It's not straight.
No, I think it is straight, and that's what the problem is.
I want it to be not straight?
Yes,
Oh.
I think it's too straight that you want it. If you're like,
I
if
want
it's
it
the
in
right
just
foot,
a little bit.
yeah, you want it to go in a little bit.
Yeah, maybe that's what it is. But also, there's just something weird with the way this is cut. And maybe it's just because I'm trying to compare it to a Jordan 1, and they're just not the same shoe. They're based on each other, but they're just not the same shoe. And I just think I don't like it. So
That's how my fours are. The black and red fours, the ones
They're
down
crooked.
there. Well, I think they're just no, I actually do think they're
You
crooked.
never wear anymore.
Yeah, because they're crooked.
I have 2 more
Just
pairs
makes-
right there.
Just makes me mad. Every time I look at my feet, I'm like, ugh.
Those were the nicest ones out of all the pairs I got. I think I got 4
They
pairs.
were, yeah.
I think I got 4 pairs of those. And I got 2 more, so 2 more infrared 4s. They just got some QC issues, nothing huge.
We'll
but-
trade those for one of the ones up there.
Why don't they do that?
Why not?
Why not?
Why
Right.
not?
What else can we say about this? Anything else you got, Haley? I do like the gum outsole.
Oh no, I like the gum.
Oh, I don't
Outsole.
care about this.
I do.
I guess it's a cool detail, but it's like what it is. But I did want to have my own, or a pair of SB lows to wear.
I think you could rock those.
I could, but I think I'm just gonna feel so goofy with
Goofy.
toe boxes. I'll try them on. I'll see what I think about it, but I don't think this is gonna be it. Did we get these close-ups? Welcomes.
Not the welcome, but the palm
You
tree.
got the palm tree. I like them, and again, this is the first SB low I've ever hit on for retail, so I like them, but I just don't. I don't think this is it.
I don't know.
2 underwhelming
Mid.
shoes that I've opened today. Might have to do one more. We gotta try.
Oh gosh, your phone's about to die.
No, it's not.
It is. I'm not a liar.
All right, y'all smash the like button like I asked you before. I appreciate it. Tell me what you think about these SBs down below. If you have any comments about anything that the
Your phone just went to 5%.
okay, if you have any comments about the word that I gave you all earlier, please comment that down below. Let's get some conversation going about that. Tell your grandma about the SB Deep Royal Blue, and tell me what you think about the goofy toe box. We need to know what's up with these goofy toe boxes. I
real.
need to know. Let's talk about this too. Smash that like button. I'll see you next time.
You're so pretty.
Say bye.
Choose. Ah! Shoes. And I like shoes.
Fire! It's so cute.